Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with an honest, expert eye. Today, we're focusing on something every eye makeup lover reaches for: the Clinique Quickliner for Eyes Intense. This is a pencil eyeliner designed to deliver intense color while being water and smudge resistant, and it's formulated specifically to be safe for sensitive eyes. Right out of the packaging, this liner impresses with its sleek, easy-to-hold pencil design. The shade I'm testing is AB Intense Black, which promises a bold, matte finish. Clinique emphasizes that this pencil glides on smoothly and stays put throughout the day without irritating the eyes, a key consideration for anyone with sensitivity or who wears contacts. In my experience, the application is remarkably effortless. The pencil tip is creamy enough to glide along the lash line without tugging, yet firm enough to create precise lines, whether you're going for a subtle daytime look or a dramatic cat eye. It's highly pigmented. One swipe delivers a rich, deep black. During testing, it held up well through a full day of wear, resisting smudging and fading even in humid conditions. I tried it both on my lower and upper lash lines, and it maintained definition without migration. One small note: sharpening is necessary to maintain a precise point, but the pencil's consistency makes this quick and easy. Pros: the pigmentation is excellent. The formula is comfortable for sensitive eyes, and the water and smudge resistance really works. It's also versatile, allowing for both soft and bold looks. On the downside, while it is resistant, it's not completely waterproof, so if you rub your eyes heavily, some smudging may occur. Additionally, those who prefer ultra-long-lasting waterproof liners might need a touch-up after intense activities. In terms of value for money, Clinique products tend to sit at a premium price point, and this liner is no exception. That said, considering the gentle formula, intense pigmentation, and reliable wear, it's a solid investment for anyone who prioritizes eye comfort without compromising on color intensity. Compared to other high-end liners, this one holds its own, though drugstore options like Maybelline or L'Oreal offer similar pigmentation at a lower price point, albeit sometimes at the cost of sensitivity-friendly formulas. The build quality is solid, the pencil feels sturdy, and the cap clicks securely. Clinique's reputation for gentle formulations reassures that the product is safe for sensitive eyes, though I didn't need to contact customer service personally. The liner hasn't undergone any recent updates that I'm aware of, but Clinique's consistent quality means it performs as advertised. If you're looking for a high-pigment, comfortable eyeliner that stays put without irritation, this Quickliner is an excellent choice. It's particularly suited for those with sensitive eyes who want a reliable, everyday black liner. Midway through your day, if you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Clinique Quickliner for Eyes Intense strikes a fine balance between performance and gentleness. Its smudge and water-resistant formula, coupled with a comfortable matte finish, makes it a versatile staple for any makeup collection. If you've used this liner, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.